Hello students, let us continue with unit 3, 3.3 stone soup, the remaining part of the lesson. In previous video we had seen how Hirabai, Motiram and Sonabai had not listened to the traveler and how they had played a trick with him. In last video we had seen that traveler knocks at Rupabai's door and Rupabai comes out. Rupabai, yes, who are you, young man? I have not seen you around. Now what Rupabai says, she says that who are you and I had not seen you before in this village. Traveler, I am a traveler and I wondered if I could get some food as well as corner to rest for this night. Again the traveler says the same thing, that I want some food, I am hungry and I want a corner in your home to rest. Rupabai thinks, alas, my larder is empty. I am so hungry myself, but I have nothing left in the house. Now what Rupabai says, she first thinks, alas. What do you mean by alas? Alas means a sad voice, okay, used to express sadness or regret. Okay, what she said, my larder. What do you mean by larder? Larder is a cupboard or small room used especially in the past for storing food in person's home. Okay, larder. I am so hungry myself, but I have nothing left in the house. She says, I am also hungry and there is nothing left in my house to give you. Traveler, I am sorry to hear that. After listening the answer of traveler, traveler says that I am sorry to hear that. Rupabai, I am sorry too, but I can't help it. Sorry, turns to leave. Now Rupabai says, I am also sorry because I can't give you anything, and she was going inside. Traveler aloud, wait madam, if you are also hungry, I can make us both some soup. What the traveler says to Rupabai, if you are also hungry, I can make what? I can make a soup for you also. Rupabai, but I told you my larder is empty. I can't offer you anything. Now when traveler says that I can make a soup, what Rupabai says? She says that I told you first only that my larder is empty and I can't give you anything to cook a soup. Traveler, all I need is a cooking pot, a spoon and some water. I have a magic stone in my bag. When you boil it in water, it makes a delicious, nourishing soup. Now what the traveler says? Traveler says to her that I don't want any ingredients from you. I want only what? One cooking pot, a spoon and some water. And what he said, that I have a magic stone which can prepare what? Which can prepare a soup. When you boil it in a water, it makes a delicious, nourishing soup. When the stone is boiled in the water, you can prepare what? Delicious and nourishing soup. Delicious means what? Having a very pleasant taste or smell. Okay, so with that stone you can prepare what? A soup. Okay. Rupabai, really, a magic stone, and all you need a pot of water? I think I can manage that much. Now what Rupabai says? Rupabai says, acha, you have magical stone from which you can prepare a soup, so you only need a pot of water. So what she says, I can manage that much. Traveler, you just, yes, just a pot of water, only a big one. What the traveler says? Traveler says, yes, I only need what? A pot of water, and that also a big one. Rupabai goes back to her cottage. Traveler collects wood and makes a fire in corner. Other neighbors peep out from their windows and watch quietly, but curiously Rupabai comes out with a very big pot. Now when he says, traveler goes into the corner and he is preparing what? A fire to cook a soup, and all the neighbors who were there, they were peeping out what these both are doing. Okay. Rupabai, Here is your pot of water. Now Rupabai comes with the pot of water. Traveler, thank you. You now just wait and watch. What traveler says to her, thank you, and he is telling Rupabai that you just wait and watch. Put the pot on the fire, takes out a stone from his pocket and drops in the pot. Now what he took the pot of water, he puts it on the fire, and he removes the stone from his bag, and he dropped that stone into that pot. Rupabai, a magic stone that makes a soup? I can't hardly believe this. Sit down to watch. Now Rupabai, she is just only thinking. She is thinking a magic stone which can make a soup, and she is telling, I can't hardly believe. And she sits and watch. Traveler, sniffing and pertaining to enjoy the aroma. Now sniffing, what do you mean by sniffing? Sniffing means to smell. Sniffing means, okay, smelling something by taking air in through our nose. Okay. Aroma means what? What you can say? Aroma, taste, khushbu. Okay. Aroma means what? Khushbu. Okay. Ah, lovely. It's going to be really delicious. To Rupabai, if only we had 1 or 2 potatoes to add. It tastes heavenly with potatoes, but alas, we don't have any. Now, what the traveler says? Traveler says, wow, the aroma is so delicious. And he said that if we had 1 or 2 potatoes, we can put the potatoes. It would be what? It would be more, the taste will be more heavenly. But let it be, we don't have the potatoes. Rupabai, 1 or 2 you said. Let me see if I have just 1 or 2 left somewhere. Now, when she listens, she says, you are asking for 1 or 2. Let me go and search into my house whether 1 or 2 are left. Brings a few peeled potato. Here, luckily, I had just a few left. I have even peeled them for you. She comes out with the potato and she is telling to whom that you are lucky. I found what? 2 potatoes, and I had cleaned the potato. Peeled means what? Cleaned. Okay. The skin of the fruit or vegetable is removed. That is peeled. Okay. Traveler, wonderful. After getting the potatoes, what the traveler said? Wonderful. Puts the potato in the pot, stirs for some time and sniffs again. He put that potatoes inside, stir. Stir means to put a spoon and to shake the soup. Okay. So, and he sniffs. Sniffs means he was taking again the smell of the soup. What with the potatoes you have given? The soup will now be terrific. Sniffs. Carrot and tomato would give it a tempting colors, would not they? But that would be too much to hope for. Now, after putting the potatoes, he said that you had green potatoes, now we are going to have a nice soup. But if we must be having carrot and tomatoes, it would give what? Beautiful color to our soup. But I am hoping too much. I know that you don't have tomatoes and carrot. Rupabai, I don't know. Sonabai comes out with some tomatoes. Rupabai says, I don't know whether the tomatoes or carrot are there or not, but Rupabai listens and she comes with what? Tomatoes. Okay. Sonabai, hello. Maybe I can be some help. I had reserved these tomatoes for tomorrow, but I am always willing to help. You know, and I know that Hirabai has plenty of carrots, but I am not sure if she will share a few with us. Now, what Sonabai says? Sonabai says that I am always ready to help everyone. I had kept these tomatoes for tomorrow. She has kept that tomatoes for what? Reserved for tomorrow. But I am always ready to help anyone, so I can give this much share to you. So Rupabai gives the tomato and she is telling that I know that Hirabai have what? She has carrot, but I don't know whether she will share or not. Hirabai enters with few carrots. Now Hirabai also comes out and she brings what? Carrots. I don't have plenty. In fact, I too was reserving this for tomorrow. Now Hirabai was also giving the same excuse. She was telling, I am also having, but I don't have many, but I have few, and I had also kept this reserved for tomorrow. But never mind, if Sonabai can spare her tomatoes, I too can spare this. Now, what she says, Hirabai says that if Sonabai can give you tomatoes, why can't I give you few carrots? I too can spare this. After all, you don't get to see a magic stone making a magic soup every day. What she says, after all, we can't see na magic soup and magic stone. Okay, so Hirabai brings what? Carrot. Traveler bows to the woman. Traveler bows down to the woman. I am really speechless, you noble ladies. This is going to be a famous soup. Add the vegetables, teas, and sniffs. Now, sorry, traveler. When they both one brought tomatoes and one brought what? Carrot. So the traveler bows down to woman and he tells that I am really speechless. What do you mean by speechless? Speechlessness, unable to speak because you are surprised. Okay, you noble ladies, this is what the soup which I am going to prepare. This is going to be a what? Very famous soup. It reminds me of the soup I had made some time ago. I had added just a few beans, onions, and I think a little piece of ginger, and what flavor it had. Now he said that some days before I had made this soup, magic soup, but I had add what? I had add some beans and onions and even a piece of ginger. If I will add that, it will have awesome taste. Those are the only thing missing now. What he said, these are only the things which are missing now, but what we have is also good enough. But what we had put into this soup, that is also good enough. You can't always have the best. He is telling we can't always get the best. Enters Motiram. Now who is entering? Motiram. Okay, Motiram, why not? If you can have the best, why miss the golden chance? Now what Motiram says, why not? If you have the chance, why should we miss that golden chance? Here, take this. When help is needed, old Motiram doesn't lag behind. Now what Motiram said, when anyone needs a help, I am always there to help and I am not lagging behind. Okay, offers vegetable. Traveler bows, how can I ever forget your generosity? Now traveler again bows down to whom? Motiram, and he says, how can I forget you and your generosity? What do you mean by generosity? Generosity means giving in plenty. Okay, adds all the vegetables, steals and sniff. Absolutely mouth watering. What flavor, what aroma, what taste. Takes a sip. Marvelous. If only I had add a pinch of salt, it would be perfect. Now what the traveler does, traveler sniffs the soup and he is telling what a aroma, what flavor, what taste. The taste is very marvelous. Now all I need is what? A pinch of salt. It would be perfect. Sonabai, sorry, Rupabai, I will get some salt and bowls for all of us. Now what Rupabai says, Rupabai said, I will bring some salt also and bring bowls also to bring the soup. Traveler, thank you. I was about to suggest that. Exits Rupabai. What she, when the Rupabai says, traveler says that I was going to say same thing, and Rupabai goes. You are all being so kind and helpful. It is an unforgettable experience. Now, what the traveler said? Traveler said that you all are so kind, and this experience was what? Unforgettable for me. Rupabai returns with salt, pepper, and bowls. Traveler adds the salt, steals, and serves the soup to everyone. Now, Rupabai brings the salt. The traveler put the salt in the soup. He steals the soup and he serves everyone in the balls. Rupabai, wonderful. You can taste the goodness of fresh vegetable. So, for what Rupabai says, wonderful. The soup is what? Wonderful. You can taste the goodness of fresh vegetables. Okay. Sonabai, yes, unbelievable. No one would think that this soup was made with a stone. Sonabai says, yes, it is unbelievable that this soup has been made with what? by stone. Motiram, you have said it. Such delicious vegetable soup and made with a stone. Now what Motiram says, yes, what you are telling, that is what? That is correct. The soup is made with what? It is made with a, no one can say that it is made with what? Stone. Hirabai, I wonder what happened to the stone. Does it melt away? Now what Hirabai says, the stone which you had dropped into the pot, that stone has what? Dissolved? Who is asking? Hirabai. Traveler, oh no, it remains the same. Takes out the stone from the pot. Now what the traveler says, no, the stone remains same, and he removes the stone from the pot. Take a look. This was the stone that made the soup. So after removing the stone from the soup, he is showing that stone to all of them, and he is telling, this is the stone from which I had made the soup. Aside to the audience, have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? He moves to the audience and he is showing and he is telling to the audience that, have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Have you guessed what is the secret of stone soup? Traveler smiles and says, you can make it even without the stone. And he say to the audience, you can make this soup without the stone also. And curtains as everyone enjoys the soup, and everyone was sitting and enjoying the soup. So the soup was made from, actually it was made from all the vegetables, not from the stone, but this was the trick of the traveler to fool this all people. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.